Oh look, the neighbor's coming. We're gonna make him some sausages. This recipe is so much fun. It's easy and so delicious. It's the perfect recipe for a sunny grilling day. My neighbor's gonna help me today plow our field. Well, it's not really a field, it's a grass field, but it was hobbly, the dog had made holes. Well, bottom line is we need to fix the grass. The neighbor's coming to plow the grass, and so what can I do? Grill him some sausages, make him happy. Look, the weather's absolutely insane. We got sunshine, it's fantastic. And on a day like this, you don't have time to sit around with the barbecue. You gotta do stuff. You gotta like go out and, I don't know, fix the roof or do repairs, make a door for the chicken coop, whatever you gotta do, you know. But you gotta have a good lunch. So I'm gonna give you the easiest recipe and also the tastiest, because we got these delicious pork sausages. And I wanna eat them. The smell that comes off these sausages is just fantastic. Fresh, fat, greasy pork sausages from really tasty pork sausages. And I got a whole lot of stuff that I'm gonna put on it. So we better start cracking, because this is a recipe we're gonna put together quickly, but it's gonna be so tasty. Oh man. Morrison, you hungry yet?
Is this breakfast?
I don't know, it's kind of like
brunch.
Yeah, but a millennial style brunch. I don't know, maybe this is not a millennial brunch. After all, it's more like a Generation X lunch.
There's fat in it.
There's a lot of fat in it.
I love it.
And cheese.
And cheese.
We got cheese. Woohoo! I want to prep all my ingredients up front, because once we start cooking, things are gonna go fast. So first I'm gonna cut out my bell peppers. Slice them into long strips. We're also going to need an onion, which we're going to slice in half onion rings. And besides that, I'm going to need some homemade salsa, some beans, some shredded cheese, bacon, and barbecue sauce. Now let's fire up the grill. Basically, we're gonna make something like a kebab, because I'm gonna put all these sausages on this huge skewer. And then it's gonna be our base, the base for our recipe. It's gonna be basically like a big plate of food. We did this with the pork belly pizza, and it worked so fantastic. The flavors that combine so well together. And you can just grill this, it's gonna be so easy. It looks fantastic. And then you can just go ahead and eat it. And it's so easy. Even Morrison could do it. Like, I broke one sausage.
No.
I think this one died. Dude, I don't know if it's gonna fit on the grill. I decided to use the Joe Jr. because I thought this is gonna be, but I'm not sure anymore if this is gonna work. Oh man, I so hope this is gonna fit. Now, before we're gonna grill this, first we gotta grill the rest of the ingredients. Of course, we're gonna be crispening up that bacon. Let it render down and release all of that beautiful fat while crispening up. And then we're gonna use that bacon fat to fry our bell peppers and onion. And I got some beans to fry, because this is barbecue. Now it's time to start grilling my sausages, and it's kind of like a backyard art. Every man at his grill wants to cook the perfect sausage. So you gotta keep rotating them, turning them around, make sure they don't turn black, because you don't want to be that guy that can't grill a sausage. And look at these, they look absolutely perfect. Now that we got our sausages grilled, I'm gonna put in the heat deflector and create indirect heat. Because our sausages are already browned, we don't need them to be grilled any further than they are. Because this is the second stage of the cooking process, where we put everything together. Except there's one little problem, and that's this sausage. It looks really pathetic and it's about to drop off, so I guess I'm just gonna have to eat this while you guys watch me grill up the rest of the recipe. Look at it. It's a party from the grill. It's party meat. It's a party recipe. Barbecue is a party, especially on a sunny day like this. You're supposed to have fun food, man. And I bet you it's gonna taste good. It's like, where do I begin? On this end, in the middle. Oh, I'm gonna go in the middle. Morrison, I'm sorry, buddy. I'm gonna destroy the whole thing.
Bacon, cheese, barbecue sausage. We don't do too many barbecue sausage, and I think I'm pleading that we do it more because the barbecue sausage is a beautiful thing.
This is pure geniusness. Like that salsa has got some spiciness in it, and the barbecue sauce just tops the whole thing off, and the bell peppers just wiggling in, and the beans making it rich and creamy.
This is like a flavor profile you want to keep in your mouth for hours and hours. I miss this. This is barbecue. This is real barbecue.
Between this and the whole like a loaf of bread, like that's all you need. If this is your barbecue dish, I mean for two people, and maybe a slice of bread.
I'm not planning on stopping. I gotta continue this. I can't stop now.
You're forgetting who we're making this for.
What?
This is not for us. This is for the neighbor that's helping me out. Where's my? You can't just eat everything.
Come on, I had 1.5 sausage. Not even 1.5. I had 1 and.
See, the dog's coming in.
Ah, come on.
You can't eat it all. It's not yours. It's not yours to eat. It's not yours to eat. It's not yours to eat. I'm sorry, man. No, not this time. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Before everybody eats it, I'm going to share it with all the rest of the people here. Big thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling. I'm out. Stop eating.